All right, good morning everyone. Dustin Troy and Supercar Sunday brought to you by Porsche Woodland Hills. It's about 6:30. The Porsches are already rolling in. Here we go. It's awesome when they come in together. Here they come. We got Brad here with his ass. Got the Chevy guys. It's gonna be a beautiful morning. Supercar Sunday, Porsche Marque day. More to come. Day's just starting. Gentlemen, I love those shirts. Thank you guys very much.
Thank you.
My
I want
pleasure.
your jacket.
I'll talk to the
You
team.
still want this jacket.
Okay, I'll figure it out this week.
Jackets, and we're still looking for hats too.
The hats are on the way.
Hats are, well, that's a good thing.
Here they come. All right, I'm gonna sign off for now. We gotta park some cars. More to come. Awesome. All right, everybody. Supercar Sunday brought to you by Porsche Woodland Hills. This is one of my favorite Porsches of all time. First time I saw this car, I fell in love with it. The reason I fell in love with it, this is built in the 90s. It's a Targa. It's chopped. But he told the builder, I want to drive it to the racetrack, race it, and drive it home. And the first time I saw this thing, man, unbelievable. So everyone's customizing cars now. Oh my gosh, look, we put a huge wing on and a wide body and this and that. This car was done in the 90s. So how ahead of its time was this car? That's what I gotta ask you. Right?
Totally. This is where the tradition started, you know?
Mulholland Racing right here.
Yes, exactly. King of the Mountain. King of the Mountain, remember that movie?
Yeah, yeah. Love this car. Cars keep coming.
Oh gosh, yeah. Have you had a chance?
Yeah, no, I haven't, but I heard it.
The other one I did.
Who makes that one?
It's a guy called Porsche. I have a friend who's
Hey, are you Dustin?
I am.
I'm Heidi. Thanks for the guidance and help. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
How are you?
so much. It's Robert.
Good morning, everybody. Dustin Troy and Scott Stanley, Supercar Sunday, Porsche Woodland Hills.
Good morning, everybody. I can't express how much positivity there is going on out here today. Everybody's got a good mood. They got a good story. We got restorations over here. It was Dad's car. Originally it looked like that one, and now it looks like that.
But it's their first time here.
It's their first time.
First time here.
First timers today, so thank you for coming out. Appreciate that. Porsche Woodland Hills, thank you to the team. Thank you to the Howards. We've got a couple of really nice cars over here. We got 25th anniversary Boxster over there. The new hybrid Cayenne, which I got one of those, and I'll tell you that story later. But the new GTS that just came out, T hybrid, not like a conventional hybrid like this with a big battery. It's only enough to get the turbo lag out of the car.
Oh, interesting.
Amazing. The car is 0 to 60, 1 car length faster than the 24.
We've got like 40 Porsches pulling in right now. See them all coming in?
Oh, look at that. Awesome.
What are we gonna do?
And then quarter mile is three car lengths faster, but it's really just a smooth 30 to 60, 30 to whatever. But carbon fiber new wheels, obviously yellow belts and stuff. So you've seen new grille. They put the blinkers into the headlights, so there's no lights down here like the red car over there. Watch out. But yeah, back to the positivity.
Well, you know what, Scott? I got to tell you something. Well, let's walk around this car while we talk.
Oh yeah.
So Scott and I always says we met, and what a great partnership, because you're positive, I'm positive, we love people, we love cars, we love Porsche, it all works. And because of your decision to sponsor Supercar Sunday and the support of the Howards, we're out here every Sunday, but today's Porsche Day. There's Dennis.
It's grown over the last 4 years too.
Well, it's amazing. You know, I got to say that Supercar Sunday is the template basically for all their cars and coffees. We can do it longer than anybody. And in the Porsche world, you know, I think we're the first ones doing it, and then a lot of people emulated what we've been doing, which is a tremendous compliment.
Right, but the cool thing about that, and I respect all the clubs,
100%,
small, large, all the cars, completely agnostic. Just people getting together, having a great Sunday. Obviously, there's a lot going on today, a lot going on in the world, but you get to come in here, you get to almost like Disneyland, where it's all about people, it's all about cars, like you just said, about the positive nature, sharing some donuts, a little bit of coffee.
I had somebody say to me today, they said, hey, my nephew's bringing his brand new 2006 Porsche. He's so excited to bring a Supercar Sunday. Can you please give him a good spot? Love it. So it's going to make his day.
Like
So-
you, sir.
Hey.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Check this out. This just came in from Europe. Debut at Supercar Sunday. It just arrived yesterday. I got a call. Please save me a spot. Check this thing out.
Just think about how many hours of restoration and care and
Straight from Germany.
passion into it.
Arrived yesterday. Unbelievable. And we've got a new GT3 over here. I mean, just the variety. 930.
We're only getting started.
It's just warming up. There you go. Let's keep walking.
ST's not bad.
Let's keep walking.
It's only 8 o'clock.
What'd you bring today? What'd you bring?
What year is this car?
He just got it. I'll try to find the owner. You guys should talk.
Yeah, because
So I'm going to show you guys Jay's race car down here. Good morning, Dennis.
Good morning, Dusty.
So, look at these cars. You gotta love it. Right there. Scott, get in here. Get in here. Get in the middle.
Scott. All right. Good morning, Supercar Sunday.
Love it. So, I don't know if you've ever seen Jay's car.
Go ahead.
This car. Jay, tell us about your car real quick. And the first time I saw this car, I fell in love with it instantly. Instantly, I said, who the hell are you? And what the hell is this? That's what I said. He just laughed and walked away. What do we have here, Jay?
So it's a 71 Targa. Took the old Sawzall to it.
Wait.
Cut that off.
You chopped up a 71 Targa.
Yeah. Yeah. Took 5 inches out of the windshield. Tried to make it as light as possible. Took the windows out. Stiffened it up a little bit with a cage.
Light.
It's got 928S brakes. They were bigger than turbo brakes in the 90s.
So when was this built?
90s,
90s.
early 90s.
And when you built it, what was the goal?
It was to have a car that I could drive to the racetrack, have my friends with their race cars in their trailers, bring some other wheels with slicks on them, and I'd change the wheels out and then try to beat them after they drove their cars in the trailers.
Did you beat him?
So the trophy just mounts right here.
Yeah. So I just try to make something real light and stiff and Put a big motor in it.
When I think of Mulholland, people racing on Mulholland in the 80s and 90s, I think of this.
What was the club that was Mulholland? They drove without their headlights on and any lights on?
Well, they used to call it Mulholland.
Bonsai Racers.
I don't remember.
And a guy that I met up there was ticketed for driving an Indianapolis 500 car on the 405 freeway. And it showed the top with his glued up on top of the stick. And he went to traffic school.
There you go. Look at that one. That's a wrap. What do you think about that, Scott?
I love it. Love the personalization.
We just have so much fun out here. And the cars keep coming.
Oh, by the way, the dealership's getting to get Manti, and with all the craziness going on with tariffs and stuff, we still have 300 cars on the ground that are unaffected.
Wow.
So
if you want a Porsche, come see Scott at Porsche Woodland Hills.
we'll take care of you.
Love it. That's loud. All right, I'm going to sign off now since
Hard to
that's
dance to.
making so much noise, but another great day. Hey guys, Dustin here at Supercar Sunday. Check out. So I thought this was a wrap because everyone wraps cars. This is paint.
It's paint.
So I got to tell you, this is what makes Supercar Sunday right here. Unbelievable, actual paint. Who's the artist?
Alex Block.
German. Unbelievable. I love seeing when someone takes a Porsche like this, does something totally different. Unbelievable. Thank you so much for sharing it at Supercar Sunday. Actual paint, ladies and gentlemen. There's paint to sample, and then there's this.
Thanks, guys. Yeah.
PPF on top of it. If you had paint. Take it. It's sick. Love it. Favorite car.
Wow. Actual paint, that's really cool. All right, another walk through, super early. Cars keep coming.
Any better? I mean,
When you spend $500,000 per car, you grew up with.
he's a.
Cars keep coming. What you say, boys?
How's it going, bro?
You can hear the cars coming in.